Good evening, welcome back to my channel. This channel is usually true crime with Jess, and if true crime is your thing, I'm about to do another one tomorrow, another story tomorrow. Young boy called Seth Jackson. It was a case that was in 2011 in Florida. It's okay. So yes, I'll be doing that one tomorrow, and that's true crime with Jess Rose. If you fancy having a look or subscribing, really appreciate it. But this video is actually a little bit different. Now last week I did one about the Feshbane hair extension update, and you know what, I was really pleased with it, really pleased with it. I'm not really one for the extensions and stuff, it never really works, but it was really good. I've actually in the past week probably not worn it twice. Really good product, really happy with that one. But as I mentioned in that video, I was waiting for delivery of the Bonio. Now this, I was surprised some people hadn't heard. It's all over Facebook, it's all over YouTube. Apparently the only hair bobble you're ever going to need again. You know, looks amazing, it really does. Now, as I mentioned, if you were watching Love Island at all, there was a girl on there, stunning girl, called Maura, and she had like a half up, half down hairstyle that she wore a lot. And in the advert for Ponyo, the girl does that, but also they give you two. I'm going to have a look. One for all your hair and one for half your hair. So, or if your hair is short or you know. So let's have a look. Okay, so what we got? Right, we have Ponyo. Different styles, like that. So, little different styles you can do there. And then we have this little cute bag. Oh, I'm presuming they're in here. Now, these are the things I've been so excited. I really hope they work. And it's two. We've got a smaller one and a bigger one. And we're going to give it a go. You're going to see it as I'm doing it. So let's, right, so here we have the smaller one. Now it doesn't feel like a bubble, you know, I suppose being different you wouldn't expect it to, but it's quite hard, it's kind of rubbery, but yeah, let's give it a go, let's see if it works. So I'm going to try half up, half down first. Now the girls in the Ponyo advert, of course, make this look amazing and really easy. Look, I'm feeling just not going to be the case here, but let's give it a go. Right, so we put it over like a normal bubble, but I'm sorry if the camera's shaking. Then you squeeze so it's flat, and then it looks like you wrap the rest back on itself, kind of folding into itself. It is quite stiff, but let's give it a go. Oh, that's quite cute. It gives it quite a bit of bump. I do not, I mean that looks, I'd probably put a bit more hair in it, looks a bit odd, but they do, which I didn't order, do like a cover, got like a gold clip-on cover, which looks really good, as I should have ordered actually, but I'm not sure about that. I mean it does what it was supposed to do, maybe I haven't put enough hair in it, but that's half up, half down. That's the small ones. Then we just show them just opening it back up, putting the hair out. You don't see them do that. I think I did that, let's pull my hair out. But okay, not too bad. Now this is the one I'm worried about. Now I have got quite heavy hair, but the girls in the advert, you know, as they do, long hair, short hair, you know, it does everybody. So let's see if it does. I'm actually quite excited because I'm always losing hair bubbles, and because my hair is quite heavy, I usually have to use very elasticy bubbles and more than one just to hold it up. It is a bit of a pain. So if I straighten my hair to try and make it a little bit easier. So, let's, you know, right, so we're going to try and do it quite high and see if it can hold it. Please hold it, please work on there. Which one's which one? That's one that's just, oh, okay. There's no vast lot of difference between the small and the big one, but let's give it a go. So then you just put it over, pull the hair through again, and it's actually yanking my hair a little bit, but it is my first time using it. The Fresh Bang extension took, you know, a few goes to make it look like, you know, I wasn't walking around with a hairpin or a couple of size in it. So let's try this first. Well, it goes on, it says on the leaflet, ponyo bends, it doesn't stretch. It does bend. I can feel it's loose already. Yeah. Oh, that's such a shame. Oh, I'm really disappointed. I'm actually sweating from that as well. It's just dropped. It just completely dropped out. I'm really disappointed. I was really excited to get this. Right, I'm going to try one more time. Practice makes perfect. Maybe I'll try the smaller one. Maybe because I've straightened it. You know, maybe. Right, we're going to try the smaller one. Let's see how we get on with it. Maybe we'll just get that bit tighter. So let's give it a go. Mate, what if I'm supposed to do that first? No, I don't think so. But, okay, bear with me. Kind of muttering to myself, right? This is, I'm so sorry, this is so different from what I normally do. You know, I talk about true crimes, what's going on. I'm not usually sat here faffing with my hair, so it's all quite new. But I'm really excited about this and I wanted to share it with you. Oh, this is, right, this is the smaller one. Oh, my hair's going through it. Oh, there we go, we've got it through. So let's squeeze. Oh, it's already loosening. Let's squeeze and bend one side, bend other. No, I'm really squeezing now. Okay, that's the little one. Now, what I'm thinking is, you know, when you usually go like that with your part, I don't think you can do that because it undoes the bend. So I think once you've got it in, you're literally gonna have, maybe that's why the models do that, they're just very rigid. Because if you move it around, it's not too bad actually. I was about to say it dropped, but no. Maybe it was, no, I think the bigger one was for ponytail, but it just seems the smaller one. That's hard. What do you think? I'm not as disappointed now. I was so disappointed at first. But that, I mean, I'm sat here, it's not loosening. That's quite good, and it does give it a bit of fun. But you can't do that though. I've got a feeling there'd be a fair bit of fiddling until you got it wrong. But you know, I'm half up, half down. It wasn't bad. I don't think I've put enough half up. But I don't know. I don't know what I think. And it gives lots of styles here to try. I mean, the model there, you know, her hair's not. Yeah, her hair's not much different to mine, really. It's all right. Mind you, she's holding it. She's holding it in the picture. Maybe she's having to hold it up. No, I don't know. Would I recommend? It's hard to say. I think if you had maybe quite thin hair, shorter hair, might be perfect. I just think for heavy hair, not so much. They need to make it squishier in the back, maybe. I don't know. But yes, that was my review, my personal review of the Ponyo Revolutionary Hair Accessories. So, let me know what you think. Let me know if I've done it completely wrong. If you've got it and you know it, cringing at the camera, like, oh my God, what is she doing? Anything like that, please let me know, please. But yeah, that was my review of Paponi. I'm just going to pop it back to the bag. And yes, like I say, tomorrow I'm going to be doing the story of Seth Jackson, and it's True Crime with Jess Rose. So I'd really appreciate if you subscribe if you could, or drop a comment. And this, if you want to drop me a comment about this and let me know if I've really destroyed this product as well, which I did say I was going to do last week. I did say I'll be back to destroy another one. So, watch the fresh cream. I'll take it all back. I'll take it all back. Amazing. And maybe next video I'll take it all back about this. We shall see. But thank you for joining me. That's my review of the Polio. And it's still in. It is still in. So thank you so much. And True Crime with Jess Rose. And I'll see you soon. Thank you.